Okay, so we got this memory foam mattress topper out of the trash on the curbside, and we can see that it's relatively clean, and I've sterilized it with rubbing alcohol, and I did a visual inspection. You can see that nothing's wrong with this, and we're gonna cut this up to make it sound deadener for a home music studio and save a good amount of money by doing it this way. Okay, so I've cut this section here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it into a square, a serrated bread knife. I saw other people like using the electric kind, but this is totally adequate for me. You could also use a box cutter. And score it like that. This makes good sections that you can hang up on the wall or tuck into a corner, anywhere where you want to reduce audio reflecting to lower the delay.